We got something heavy. Let's see if we can pull it out. I'm gonna try to wiggle it. Oh, and just let go. Must be buried. Or maybe I got a chunk of it. Some crusty finds. They're setting up the docks. They're moving the docks around with a little dock mover. Oh, that was pretty cool. Found my second dart. Yes, a third dart. Now I have a blue one. So I found this new spot. It's really nice. Magnets away. There's a crusty pole for you. It was part of someone's fishing pole. This was a huge spike. It's massive. Big solid steel. Exactly what we're looking for. Now that's what we're talking about. Really nice railroad spike. Yeah, we are at a new spot north of the Perkins Pier today. In a cute little spot by the splash at the boathouse. Or a fan. If it's good, comment below. We got some bits on that one. First throw, we got plenty of stuff, including a master lock. Gosh, Magnet loves the master lock. One old master lock. Oh my gosh. To be continued. This thing was surprisingly difficult to get off the magnet. Just loves it. Solid steel in the bucket. Second pull, we got a really old chain link. And that's pretty much it. Not too much. My second coin ever. It's a dime. Let's see if it's Canadian, like the last one was. It is Canadian. I am not even kidding you. There's a boat on it, which you're gonna have trouble seeing. That is a Canadian dime. Let's see what year it is. My very first fork. That's a cool one too. It's kind of gold. Probably just from sitting down in there. I'll see if it's stainless. No, it is not stainless steel. Zirco brand though, but that's a good one. What do you think? Comment below. Got one of these. It's a counter. Count with it. That's a cool one. Huh. One in the keeper pile. So my goal is to have a full silverware set by the time I leave. So we're getting closer. I've got the fork and the knife now. Where's the spoon? Sounds like a riddle. Yes, another master lock. Third padlock. That's a nice one too. Abus. Abus patented, numbered and everything. That's kind of a keeper, I think. One crusty something. No idea what it is. Another old crusty bit. Don't know what it is. Now we are directly in front of Splash at the boathouse. And I think we got something. What do you think it is? Comment below. Now we're going to show you what kinds of things this magnet can pick up. We got a monster. Oh, that's the kinds of things that are in there. It's big, and it sure is heavy. Let's see what we got here. I think it's a piece of pipe. I'm only saying that because I can actually see through the water. I can see everything I pull. So that is an old pipe. We got that here. More silverware. Surprise, surprise. Car charger, phone charger, obviously. Big square stock of steel. Could not tell you what this was. Some nails, neither of which are square. Chunky bit. Oh, it's a good spot. Another smorgasbord of things. It's like, oh God. Ugh. Some huge chunk of metal. Bolt. Another chunk of metal. No idea. Chunks of everything on this one. Ooh. This looks like a square nail. Really old. Another good smorgasbord of items. Bolt. Nails. Bolt. Chunky. Really funny shaped nail. Just all the hardware we can ask for. Look at this flat washer. Just a ton of stuff right here. So I found my third coin, and it is also Canadian. I've only found Canadian change so far. This is a Canadian penny from 2008. That's pretty cool. Definitely keeping that. That's something big. We don't know what. It'd be a huge pipe. Yeah. Say so. What do you think? What do you think it is? Hey, crusty. Second huge pipe of the day. That one's been down there a while. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us on Northern Steel Adventures. Until next time, what will we find next?